Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Angry with you, and today I got another video guys, and basically today we're gonna be talking about ClickUp. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the project management for your coding projects. Alright, and actually after using it for a little while I became a verified user. I don't want to just expose my Gmail like I just did, but anyways, here it is. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is just go into Google, go into clickup.com, download it, just get started. It's free. As you can see over here, you can download for Windows, Linux, and also as well like the browser. You can use it on the browser, so it is pretty awesome. It's also available for Mac, so it's like cross platforms, pretty awesome. So after downloading it, you're gonna find out a little bit of like this look. You can customize the look later on. Let's just focus on the main tasks. On the left over here, you're gonna find something called spaces. All right, so just make sure to create the space that you would like to name it. Let's call it a workspace. You know, like just like this is like kind of like a group for Facebook. You know, it's kind of something like that. You know what I mean? But it's like for work, for project management. So you can just call it whatever you would like. Add the description, create the default permissions. This is going to be for you, so full edit, and for anybody like user that's going to get on the workspace, so just make sure to give them the correct access that you want. You can give them edit, comment, view only, right? And you can also make this private, which is awesome. You can also share it with only the people you want to share with, right? So I already have a new task that I created. It's called YouTube, and this is going to be like for my social media videos. So I made a folder over here, all right, and I called it social media. All right, and afterwards I just created the list and call it YouTube. So let's say for example I want to create a new list, and that's like for, I don't know, like Vimeo videos or whatever, and I can just add it, you know what I mean, to the social media videos. All right, and as you can see, it's already added in the list settings and everything. Let's add a new task. This is what we need to do. So upload a video to YouTube or Vimeo, whatever it is. Let's call it to Vimeo. I'm not even sure if I'm spelling it correctly, but it doesn't matter. It's just for example. All right, so we just created a task, right? I'm just gonna assign it to myself. All right, you can assign it to whoever you would like. Due date is gonna be today, and priority is gonna be high, so or urgent actually. Okay, so this is like the tasks that you're gonna add in the whole list, you know what I mean? Afterwards there's like multiple tasks, all right, that you could add in inside the task itself, which is called subtask. You can add description, you can add in custom fields, you can add in checklist. I'm sorry if I'm making my voice a little bit loud, but because of like the street sellers and stuff, it's like bullshit, to be honest with you. I don't have to deal with it, but anyways, you don't have to hear it as well. But let's continue. You got the subtask, you got the checklist, you got the attachments. Over here you can add in a folder, you can add in references, and there's a lot of things that you could add over here as well. You can add a description for the project, and also as well, just make sure to actually, when you're adding blocks, just make sure that you're selecting the correct block. So let's call this like a strong project or like strong video. This is like the banner for the task, you know what I mean? You can add in lists, tables, checklists, columns. There's so much you can add over here. I'm not gonna go through all over them, but this is basically how you can add in a task, and inside it you can add in tasks like edit the video, know what I mean? And what's cool about this is not only for you, you know what I mean? You can also assign people to it, and then you know, you can get people working on your project and basically organizing the project itself. So let's say the date is like a month from now. It's gonna be the 4th of next month, you know. And again, you can have your due date and add the status for your project. This is in progress, this is completed, this is canceled, you know what I mean? Whatever you would like. You can also edit the statuses for the project tasks in ClickUp. All right, so I hope you guys like the video. Comment, like, subscribe. If you guys need more videos like this, please let me know. This was Ango Web Solutions, and peace to you guys.